All right, let's take a look at the liquid air for the Pixel 6a from Spigen. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video I have a case for you, the liquid air for the Pixel 6a from Spigen. Picked this up on Amazon for about $14.24. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick this up for yourself. So without further ado, typical Spigen packaging. You got a picture of the case there. Spigen, something you want. You know you want it, so hit down the link below and get it. For the Pixel 6a, pull tab here, boom. Case is inside. I've reviewed this case before. I kind of like it a lot. You do have this kind of triangular pattern here on the back, very rugged. It's not soft to the touch, but it feels good in hand. Anti-slip resistant, has all the drop protection you need from a case. Very slim profile. They do have the air cushion technology like I mentioned. Very slim style, minimal flexible TPU case. Now let's grab the Pixel 6a. Now I do have the Caseology tempered glass screen protector currently installed, but if you watch that unboxing, it's basically the Spigen one. So very nice snug fit around the corners here around the screen. I do have the screen protector, so this case is screen protector friendly. You do have lip protection all around the front of your display, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, and you have the same lip protection there around the back of the camera lenses there, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. The buttons are 100% nice and covered, nice and tactile, very responsive. The power button, it is rigid, so you can differentiate from your volume rocker here, so you can tell which one's your power button in case you want to shut off your phone while it's in your pocket. You do have two holes there at the bottom right corner for a lanyard if you like to rock that wrist lanyard. If that's you, boom. On the left side of the device with the case, you do have Spigen branding there, bottom left corner, nothing else. You do have this nice rugged texture design for added grip on both ends. And on the bottom, your cutouts are nice and precise for your power mic and speaker. On top, your mic, nice and precise. And you do have a slitter there on top for that earpiece, so you are protected. So there you have it. This is your Spigen liquid air case for the Pixel 6a. Looks very good. There is no wireless charging on this device, so it's no point of showing you that it wirelessly charges through the case. Link to this will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick this bad boy up for yourself. But feels good in hand, does add slim to minimal bulk to your device. Very pocketable device with case, looks good. Look at that, boom. If you have any questions regarding this case or this phone, leave it down in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.